my name is Dr. Shama. I'm an associate professor at Habib University and in the Department of Social Development and Policy. We're very excited to be hosting a conference here at Habib, which is going to be on the theme of gender, climate and peacebuilding, and this is under the banner of Aamozish-e-Tehqeeq. It's really important to the current context of our country, given the situation where we are the fifth most vulnerable country to climate change at the moment, and we already have a number of gender inequalities and challenging issues of peacebuilding in our country. And our idea is to invite young researchers, whether you're a student or you are teaching at a university or you're a practitioner, to be able to come to Habib University. We would really like for you to participate at our conference. Our conference is on the 8th and the 9th of March. On the 8th of March, we have excellent skill building workshops for you to attend. They're very exciting. It comes from mapping to studying like how to use software and qualitative research. And also on the next day, which is the 9th, we have a full day event, which includes panels and opening session, as well as exciting research presentations. We also have very interesting arts and theater presentations as well that are happening that may be of interest to you. Please register at the link below. We'll be very happy to host you here.